Hello party people, welcome to beginning of week 3 of quarantine. Home, and I just got my Amazon Prime order because next week is Casey's birthday, and as you guys know, I'm cutting out dairy, or as much dairy as possible, so I'm transitioning to plant-based dairies, vegan dairies. It's gonna make a vegan cheesecake for Casey's birthday, so I had to place a Whole Foods order because Publix doesn't really have anything dairy, but I'm gonna do a little haul for you. But first, our homemade buffalo chicken tender Publix sub. This is literally Publix chicken, this is Publix blue cheese, this is Publix bakery bread. I'm so excited to eat this, and then we will do a little haul of everything for our vegan cheesecake. Sour cream, or not sour cream. What? Cheddar cheese? Oh no. Did I get the wrong thing? The recipe called for 3 things of cream cheese. So I got vegan cream cheese, but it says cream cheese cheddar. That's not gonna work. Replacer, vegan sour cream, brown sugar. I got lemon juice, cocoa powder, so I can also make brownies. So I did order original, and it says that they were out of stock and they refunded it, but they just gave me cheddar instead. This is what I originally ordered. This is what they gave me. So I'm sure Casey will be pretty excited to try this stuff. Well, Casey's making dinner. He's making turkey burgers, which I'm so excited about, and he roasted vegetables in the oven. So we had carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. And then today, as you guys saw, I was super confused about why they delivered cheddar cream cheese to me. So I Googled it, and you can use it to make like a dip. So ooh, I also saw a video of someone making carrot bacon.
Bacon, carrots wrapped in bacon?
No, like carrots as bacon. Now we got the broccoli going. He's doing great. Then the turkey meat is right there. Ta-da! We have the rest of this, and then we're gonna use this with some of this. Good morning, friends, and welcome to day 18 of quarantine. I am currently sitting at home. I was on AVA yesterday, but there was no flights for my 3-day trip, so they canceled it, gave me pay protection, so now I have 4 days off. I actually have something pretty fun happening. My mom wanted to go blueberry picking, and there's a blueberry farm like directly between where I used to live, where my parents live, and where I live now. This kind of changes the quarantine kitchen portion of the vlog, because now Amazon messed up my order, so I can't make cheesecake because I don't have stuff to make cheesecake. So now we're going to incorporate something blueberry. So I was thinking maybe blueberry muffins, blueberry blondies, something a little different, because I've done Oreo balls, I've done the sugar cookies, I did really messed up chocolate chip cookies off camera. It's 10:53, I'm gonna sit down, chill for a little bit because I ain't got nothing, and then we're gonna do a glow up on this channel. Okay guys, so I am all ready to roll. Casey just got home, he's in the shower. I need to go get gas. I need to get my gloves together, and we're going to head to Plant City to go pick some blueberries. Okay, so I just got to the farm, and my mom said we are sitting in the parking lot by the building. Where? I have no idea where they are. Did you bring me the muffin stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And my rollerblades so I can go skate around instead of just running miles. Grammy, what are you gonna make?
If you want. I don't know. Probably just eat ours.
True, you could do that too. My dad decided to join us. I mean, you got all the fields. You can go wherever your heart desires. Is there some like sloshy parts? And if you go in where the sloshy parts are, you'll find some good ones.
Oh, got good ones there.
So I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. As you guys know, I got a ton of blueberries. I need to wash those off so I can use them. Got some wine. So I got a strawberry wine, blueberry, and then we got one more. We got a red wine. So, and then we got some comfy clothes from Target. I ordered basically like large sweaters in every size, or every color. So this is a large Hanes crew neck. Ooh, this looks super comfy. Still pretty affordable. Super big, cannot wait to wear it. This one's really pretty. Wow, this is a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be. Lastly, red. And these will fit me and Casey because Casey has no winter clothes whatsoever. I have to buy him everything winter. So these will be my comfy clothes for the rest of quarantine because we have a long time left. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Quarantine Kitchen. Since I went blueberry picking, we're making blueberry muffins from scratch. I have majority of my ingredients right in front of me. I have the oven preheating to 375. I'm doing the recipe off of It's Cooking, New York Times, Jordan Marsh's blueberry muffins. It had 5-star ratings and I had all the ingredients, so I figured why not, let's do it. So the first step is preheat the oven to 375. Now we are going to cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter and a 1/4 cup of sugar until light. Oh, 1 1/4, okay. Okay, looks good. It's all right. Just gonna take a big spoon and mix this together. Just add in the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Let's crack egg in. All right, we're gonna beat in the other egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Handy dandy stepladder because I cannot reach anything. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 cup of milk, 2 cups flour. Pack it to the top. 1 cup, 2 cups. We're using oat milk because that's all I got. Okay. Dump that in there. That needs us to get, I did 1.5 cups of blueberries because they want 1.5 cups of full blueberries, and then they want a 1/2 cup of crushed blueberries with a fork. So I need to go do that really quick and I'll be right back. Do that. I'm just gonna add them in here. It says to fold these in. So that's what we're gonna do, just ever so gently. Bake at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes. And then let them sit for 30 minutes. We have our mix and we have our papers. So all I'm gonna do is, I wish I had like an ice cream scooper. That would make this a lot easier. I put them back in for 2 minutes because the recipe called for 35 minutes and I put them in for 33 minutes. And they looked like they could just use a little more brown on top because I like mine a little more hard on the top and soft on the bottom. So they're... Oh. This is what our muffins look like. They look so good. I just ripped this open, and I put it against the table, but can you guys see the steam that's coming out of this? It's all nice and warm and gooey on the inside. I'm so excited to try this. This is my first blueberry muffin from scratch that I'm about to eat. Good morning, party people. Happy day 20 of quarantine. I need to change my sign over there in the corner. It is an absolutely disgusting day outside. I will not be going for a run, walk, jog. I will be doing none of that nonsense outside. I don't even feel like working out inside, honestly. You know, I went for a 1.5 miles yesterday and I almost stepped on a snake. I thought it was just like a crack in the cement because it was like a black garden snake. And then I go to like put my foot down and it moved and I like jumped back, and these 2 people were like getting in their cars and they kind of like laughed at me. So like whatever. But we are under severe thunderstorms watch here in Orlando. In Tampa, they're under tornado watch. So it's currently 10:40 a.m. I have laundry going on behind me. I have a load in right now. Need to put that away, and then I think I'm gonna play with some makeup today. I placed a big Sephora order for the VIB sale, and then I placed an Ulta order because my friend D talked me into it, so why not? I haven't ordered a lot of makeup in a while, and I ordered a lot of makeup because y'all know I'm getting married. I'm testing out different foundations and whatnot because I'm doing my own makeup myself for my wedding, so I'm gonna try and find like my holy grail items. So that's the only reason why I'm buying a ton of products. So those should be coming in. Casey's birthday present is coming in. Hopefully he likes it. So we'll see, honestly. I look different. I just sat here and beat my face for absolutely no reason, except for the fact that I just felt like doing makeup today. I'm gonna try and pick up this whole mess that's right here behind me really quick and go put it in my room, and then I need to throw the laundry into the dryer, and it's 1 o'clock, so I've been at this for like 3 hours now. I need to make some lunch because I'm getting hungry and I'm out of my iced coffee over there. So guys, Casey's officially home. Hello.
Officially?
Yeah.
Did I leave?
You went to work.
You can come back every day.
So I've just been by myself all day. Okay, well, we're gonna go for the night because it's Friday night and he has stuff to do, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be filming a video later tonight. So thank you guys for coming along on this adventure with me, and hopefully you guys try making blueberry muffins. Did you like them?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right, and we'll see you guys in the next one.